TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. Welcome back to another job lead video. My name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the interwebs, trying to find the best work from home job leads and bring them to you. Now, not every job lead is going to be a perfect fit for everyone, so I have all my playlists if you're interested in data entry or things that hire internationally. I'll link down in the description below. As always, I also have links to all the jobs that I discuss in the description below. So after you finish this video, be sure to check out those links and my other videos because I always post daily, sometimes, lots of times, most of the time, multiple times daily with job leads that I come across because I want to get them hot off the press to you so you can get your applications in quickly because some jobs are very sought after and this is one of them. Today we have a true data entry job. This unfortunately is only for my US viewers and subscribers, but the company Exemplis, I hope I am saying that correct, is hiring an order entry rep. Now the business they are in is custom office products. And so they say, don't worry, no uniforms, fast food restaurants, or orange soda included with their awesome order entry role. As an order entry representative, you're going to be part of the team that ensues 400 plus orders per day and is entered in the highest level of urgency and accuracy in a fast-paced environment. Some of the responsibilities for this job are to enter orders from first in the queue system. You will have a minimum daily order requirement that you must meet. You're responsible for processing and entering all sales orders accordingly. This includes entering GSA and state contract sales orders into their government checklist. Assist customer support representatives with proofing of acknowledgement. So you are not a customer support rep. You will just serve to help them if they need with any documents or order entry. You'll be running necessary order entry reports and matching the acknowledgments to the sales orders. You'll also assist in parts entry, literature fulfillment, and other administrative duties. So this is a true entering data into the computer system data entry position. These are very rare and they are the most sought after work from home positions right now. Qualifications include a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. They do want someone who has 2 years experience in data entry, and you need to have the ability to pass a typing speed and accuracy test, but they don't say what typing speed you need to have. The downfall with this position is that they do not list the pay or salary. A little disclaimer, I do not work for these companies. I just simply share what I find on the internet. So if you apply at the time that you get an interview, you would have to ask about pay and salary at that time. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I wanted to keep this one very short, sweet, and to the point, and I will be back very soon with another job lead for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.